doing? Huh? Hey, girl. Whoa.
I haven't been on anything else.
Good girl.
Looking for me to call them.
Skylar. Hey. Stop it.
Get a
Stop.
hold of them and we'll go tomorrow. Get tomorrow for you.
Well,
Hey.
I'm not
Stop being
getting very
naughty.
many replies, so I think I better have to send a message through phone.
Yeah. A lot of people don't see it on the.
She likes to fly up into the lamp and land there.
Hello. Hello.
I'm taking a video of her. Leave me
You
alone.
don't look at Facebook every day.
Hey.
I know. Kim doesn't, you know. April doesn't. So I'll probably have to just send a message to them.
Well, here's Skylar. She likes her ladder, by the way. See? Skylar. Who's that pretty girl? Who's that pretty girl? Yeah.